Hi there, students. His days are numbered. Somebody's days are numbered. Something's days are numbered. This means that something is finished, or it's going to finish soon. If the team doesn't win the next 2 or 3 matches, the manager's days are numbered. He will not continue as manager for much longer. Clearly, this government is very unpopular and its days are numbered. I think if we don't do something urgently about global warming, our days are numbered. So we will not continue to exist for a lot more time. So somebody's days are numbered, something's days are numbered. It's doomed to die, it's doomed to end soon. This type of technology, its days are numbered because there are new technologies coming. I think perhaps people working in call centres, their days are numbered because I think AI is going to take over those types of job. So something's days are numbered. They're not going to continue. The doctor said that my days are numbered. Wow, that's really, really strong. He said, I'm going to die. If the company doesn't get this contract, its days are numbered. If the company loses its contract, the company's days are numbered. Or if you make any more mistakes at work, then your days are numbered. The usefulness of something is nearly ended. The company has been laying off workers more and more every day, and clearly the rest of the workers' days are numbered. The petrol engine in the car, clearly its days are numbered. It's going to disappear and we're going to have all electric cars someday. Yeah, the petrol driven car is not going to survive. The defenders knew that they could not continue their defense for much more time. They knew that their days were numbered. They couldn't continue in this situation. They couldn't last in that situation. This theatre is in deep financial trouble, and without government support, its days are numbered. This probably comes from the book of Daniel, which Daniel reads King Belshazzar's fate in the writing on the wall, and he says, God hath numbered thy kingdom and finished it. So clearly his days were numbered, his number was up. So if you say somebody's days are numbered, there is some period of time which will come to an end soon. This government policy will at some point be discontinued. Yeah, its days are numbered. If his performance in the team does not improve soon, his days in the team are numbered. So not long for this world. Your days are numbered. So, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Something's days are numbered in something very formal. I think maybe you could, but it's on the edge in something very formal. So, one's days are numbered. Something's days are numbered. My days are numbered. Well, as I said, the origin comes from the book of Daniel. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. One's days are numbered, someone's days are numbered, something's days are numbered.